Hey guys, Jess Starr here from the Starr team at Keller Williams Legacy Partners, standing inside our beautiful new listing. Check out this amazing kitchen. This one is 49 DePaw Circle in East Hartford, Connecticut. It is a gorgeous, totally remodeled raised ranch style home. It's got a brand new kitchen in 2020 with all marble countertops, Bosch appliances and Samsung appliances here, all stainless. Look at that great double oven there. It's got a brand new, in 2019, composite deck back there, new slider in 2020. 2014, they had a brand new furnace and water heater installed. They also had new plumbing and electrical, all in 2014. Between 2018 to 2020, all the appliances have been replaced, which is great. Nothing to think about or do there. They've got fresh paint throughout, nice recessed lighting, huge backyard with a pool too, inground that you're gonna love. This one is gonna be a really rare find. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. The baths have been remodeled, second floor laundry, and it's just not gonna last long. It is super, super cute, tons of space, great location on DePaw Circle here, close to the highway yet tucked away, and this beautiful neighborhood. So give us a call if you want more information, 860-325-2484, or you can visit us on our website at starteam.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.